Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Before we start the lesson today, I want to introduce myself. My name is Maeti with student digit number 19130110026. I'm from 3A Mathematics Education, so happy watching. Okay, so today lesson I want to explain about two variable linear equation system, and from introduction to listen, I want to know what do you think about two variable linear equation system, and what do you know? Okay, before we know about two variable linear equation system, we have to know what is a linear equation. Okay, a linear equation is an equation that has a variable with the highest power being 1, 2, and two variable linear equation system, or SPLDV, is a system consisting of two linear equations which have two variables. A two variable linear equation system, or SPLDV, it usually involves the same equation with two variables. Before we discuss about two variable linear equation system, we must to know what is a linear equation. Linear equation have components which include variable, coefficient, and constant. Variable are values that can carry. The coefficient is number in front of the variable. Again, a constant is number is not followed by variable. So for example, 6x plus 4y equal to 24, whereas 6 and 4 is coefficient, x and y is variable, and 24 is a constant. It is important for us to know what is variable, what is coefficient, and what is constant. It is also important to remember that a linear equation of variable has the characteristic as equation with the highest power of all the variables in the equation is 1. Okay, next we talk about general form two variable linear equation system. The general form are a1x plus b1y equal to c1, and a2x plus b2y equal to c2, whereas a1, b1, a2, and b2 are called coefficient, x and y are called variables, and c1 and c2 are called constant. So next about method. Two variable linear equation system have four methods are substitution method, graph method, elimination method, and the last is substitution and elimination method. Okay, so the lesson is especially explain about graph method, but you need to know all the methods used to solve the SPLDV problems produce the same result. It's just that the method of solving from one method to another method is a little different. So we explain and listen about graph method. So for graph method, step to finish SPLDV have three methods are find the intersection at x and y coordinate of each equation. Number 2, graphical feature of each equation. Number 3, the intersection point of the two linear is a solution the linear equation of two variables. Okay, for you understand more about material two variable linear equation system with graph method, I have problem example. Okay, find the solution of the system of equation for the following two linear variables. 2x plus y equal to 6, 2x plus 4y equal to 12. What is the solution? So for the solution problem's equation, solution step 1, determine the graph intersection point for the first equation and second equation. Okay, for the first equation, use at least 2 points. Find the y and find the x. For find the y values for x equal to 0, where is We must substitution x equal to 0 in first equation and find the x values. Substitution y equal to 0 in first equation. So we have result y equal to 6 and x equal to 3. This means the point obtained are A 0,6 and B 3,0. And determine the graph intersection point for the second equation. We must use the same method, find the y value for x equal to 0 and find the x value for y equal to 0. And there is y equal to 3 and x equal to 6. This means the point obtained are C 0,3 and D 6,0. In the second step, we draw a diagram with the Cartesian coordinates that we got earlier, where is graphical feature of each equation. And for left slide is first equation 2x plus y equal to 6, and right slide is 2x plus 4y equal to 12 for second equation. Okay, the last step is find intersection point of two lines. Is the solution the linear equation of two variables? Based on the picture above, the chart potential point is at coordinates 2, 2. So the solution for the SPLDV is 2, 2. Example number 2 about problems with two variable linear equation system in everyday life. The problems is in a music concert, 500 tickets for class 1 and class 2 were sold. The first class ticket price 8,000 while the class 2 tickets price 6,000. If the prices from the sale of tickets are 3,250,000, determine the number of tickets sold for each class 1 and class 2. The solution are step 1. Change the sentence in the story problem into mathematical models, thus forming a system of linear equation. For example, the number of tickets 1 and 2 are x and y. Then a sentence in a music concert, 500 tickets for class 1 and class 2 are sold, can be modeled as x plus y equal to 500. Meanwhile, the sentence class 1 ticket price is x,000 while the class 2 ticket price is 6,000. If the prices from the sale of all tickets are 3,250,000, it can be modeled as x,000 x plus 6,000 y equal to 3,250,000. The second step, we find the coordinates of 2 points must be the graph of each of these equations. Usually, the points selected are the intersection of the graph of this equation with the x-axis and the y-axis. Where is x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, we must substitution x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. So the graph of the equation x plus y equal to 500 intersects the x-axis at 500,0 and intersects the y-axis at 0,500. Next, determine the intersection of the graph for the second equation. So we must use the same method with the first equation, where is we must substitution value of x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, whereas the graph x,000 x plus 6,000 y equal to 3,250,000 intersect the x-axis at 406 times 1 divided to 4, 0 and intersect the y-axis at 0,541 times 2 divided 3. Next, in the third step or the last step, we graph this equation in Cartesian coordinates. The graph of above equation can be drawn by plotting the points we have been looking for in the Cartesian coordinate, then represents the points to get a grasp first equation and second equation. And then the solution for the SPLDV above is x equal to 125 and y equal to 375. The number of class 1 tickets sold in 125 and 375 tickets for class 2. So that is an explanation to variable linear equation system. I hope useful can be understood well. See you next lesson. Thank you.